Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to crop an picture in Adobe Express. So let's started. At first, open your Adobe Express document. In this video, I can see crop an picture. Now going to the photo option. Now for select. Then click for crop image option. Then we new interface, then click for browse option, then select from any picture, then select from picture. Now click for open option. Now resize your size. Now crop this picture. Now click from download option. That is, now open the download from crop picture file. Now for select, then open from file. That is, now you can see crop image in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for